Hello, my name is Stephanie. This is my first attempt at a eHarmony video. This is my first time at online dating, so I'm nervous but I'm excited at the same time. So I'm just going to talk about what I like, and hopefully I get some replies. I am a recent MBA grad from Villanova, and I love cats. Sorry, I'm getting emotional. I love cats. I love every kind of cat. Sorry. I just really love cats. I just want to hug all of them, but I can't because it's crazy. I just can't go hug every cat, but I want to. I want to. Sorry. Every time I hear cat, I just really love cats. I promised myself I wouldn't cry. Anyways, I'm a cat lover. And I love to run. Sorry, I'm thinking about cats again. I just think about how many don't have a home, and I should have them. I should have them, and how cute they are with their little whiskers and their ears and nose. I just love them. I want them in a basket, and I want them in my bed so I can roll around. I can't. I just can't.